A fresh year has just started, and most of us feel that we can really use 2021 productively and use it to achieve our goals. While I cannot speak up for everyone, I'm sure this pandemic has made us think about a lot of things in our lives. It has changed the way we live, how we communicate, how we spend time with people, and how we work and travel. The best part is that it has taught us that we cannot rely on any job. It has taught us that work from home is a new way of earning money, and also encouraged us to seek out some new opportunities. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the business ideas that I think most of us can start with little or no money. Also, the entry barrier to starting these businesses is low. And the best part, these ideas are scalable. So here we go. Number 1. Online teaching. When the pandemic struck us 1 year ago, almost overnight, entire courses had to be moved online, leaving many teachers with little choice but to embrace new technology for the first time. Even before the pandemic, online learning was already a significant growth industry worldwide. This led to forecasters confidently predict that the online market would reach an incredible $350 billion within the next 5 years. We all have a teacher in us. We all are good at a particular set of skills that we can share with other people. Online teaching can be quite profitable. The more number of students we can enroll in our courses, the more we can earn per class. There are many platforms such as Urban Pro, Udemy, and Teachable, where students come looking for teachers who can teach on various subjects such as languages, coding, and guitar classes. If you got the skills in a particular field, then what is stopping you from putting yourself out on the market? I have just told you the potential of this industry. So go and set up an online profile and start earning, and the best part, from the comfort of your own home. Number 2. YouTube channel. YouTube has emerged to become one of the most popular sites on the internet. It is the second largest search engine after Google. Starting a YouTube channel as a business is one of the best long-term decisions you'll ever make in your life. There are a lot of different ways you can leverage your YouTube channel to grow your business and generate new leads. According to a study, people collectively watch about 1 billion hours of YouTube every day. This is way more than the time people spend watching Netflix or surfing on Facebook combined. Streaming videos is simply the direction things are headed in. It is a trend that is showing no signs of slowing down anytime soon. 82% of all internet traffic will be video traffic by 2021, which is this year. The most important reason for starting a YouTube channel is that it is your channel. No one except you has a say as to what to put and not to put. You're in charge, and you can create a variety of videos, from explainer videos to educational and motivational videos like the one on this channel. So start your YouTube channel today. Number 3. Freelancing. We go online almost every day. Why not hire our skills? If you have never heard of Fiverr or Upwork, well, they are one of the best platforms for freelancers. These platforms help you generate extra income by only dedicating a few hours daily. Once sales start to flow, nothing stops them. The barrier to entry is quite low, and you can quickly start generating money. Starting on these platforms is easy, and you don't need to go through a review process or pay to join. It is as simple as registering on any page. Once you've got yourself registered, you then have the opportunity to interact with customers and sell your services. On these platforms, people consistently generate a decent income of about $2,000 to $4,000 monthly. But of course, these are the people who already spent some time on the platform and have reached the highest level. So the first few weeks will be the most challenging, but then the orders will start arriving, and the best part without any marketing efforts, as these pages already have a marketing team in place for you. Number 4. Sell online. It is safe to say that starting an online store is much easier to set up as compared to a traditional brick-and-mortar shop. There has never been an easier time to start your own business than there is today. The best part is that it is extremely inexpensive to get started online. Most people have started the online business for less than $200. If you can fill a specific need in the market, then you can start this business. The benefits of starting an online business are manifold, including earning additional income, having the flexibility of time and location, having the business run 24/7, and the best part is that you don't have to pay employees, rent, or cover other expenses that a typical business has to worry about. Once you build an online website and spend some time gaining traffic, you can then put up unique products online and sell them. Online stores such as Wix, Shopify, and WordPress make it easier to set up an online store, as they provide you with ready-made themes, domain names, and online business allows you to reach larger audiences as compared to a traditional brick-and-mortar setup. You can easily reach to millions of people who go online every day looking for unique products to buy. The entry barrier to starting an online store is extremely low, and it allows one to enter the world of entrepreneurship easily. So don't think hard about this and start today. Number 5. Video animation and editing. Statistics don't lie. Video animation is the future of online marketing. The use of animation explainer videos has skyrocketed in the recent years. According to a study, online video accounts for 80% of all internet traffic, and this percentage just continues to rise. It is therefore clear that animated videos are the future of communication. The reality is that most of us like to receive information in the form of videos, and preferably in short animation explainer videos. Explainer videos are versatile, authentic, personal, and effective. We can use these animation videos in all kinds of departments and for different purposes to our advantage. Apart from the traditional 2D cartoon videos, infographic videos have also gained popularity, and also application explainer videos are super interesting for more complex issues like explaining how an application or a website works. In the end, we can conclude by saying that there is going to be enormous growth of animation videos in the coming years, and tapping into this market early on can only benefit you. To conclude this video, I would say that ask yourself, what is the worst thing that can happen? Make a bold move today and start with what you always wanted to start. If it doesn't work out, no big deal, there's always another chance. You don't lose anything, so dare to try today. And subscribe to Mo's channel, as this helps our videos reach out to people who can gain value. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.